the hell's wrong with me? Hey, you want to see something pretty cool? There's a nest in one of my flower pots with 4 little eggs. And every time I walk past, the mother bird flies away. I guess she's keeping her eggs warm. I love when nature is in your own backyard. It's that flower pot right there. See it? You might see the mother bird fly out as I get closer. See? She hides in the trees there. I don't know if you can see the eggs. I don't want to get too close and get attacked. Uh-oh. You know what? I can't risk it. It's not worth it. Fuck it. All right, let me... I want you to see it. You got to see it. All right. See them? How cool is that? I don't want to touch it and get my scent on it. Any bird people out there? What kind of bird is that? It looks like a sparrow. I don't know. See my runny nose? Look at that. I know it's pretty gross. I don't have a tissue. I got allergies. What do you want from me? I'm gonna wipe it with my hand? What am I gonna do? How about that? Wow, I went from beautiful Mother Nature to snot dripping from my nose. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't think there's ever been a video like that. Wow, sorry about that. I wiped my nose. I know I'm better than that. That wasn't called for. That was disgusting. I'm embarrassed, actually. Anyway, getting back to nature in my backyard. I also have rabbits. Check this out. Right under here. Right along under these evergreens. They usually come out at this time of the night. Let's see if we see one. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I think the deviled eggs stayed in the sun too long and the mayonnaise got rancid.